Hello, hello, hello. Sistagirl here with a new dance, and I'm going to do the walkthrough. I'm going to show you the moves forward one time, but then I'm going to turn around so we can do the moves with me having my back to you, and that way you'll be on the same foot as I am. All right, so the first move is starting with the right foot. It looks like this. Tap, tap, out, up. Tap, tap, out, up. Tap, tap, out, up. Tap, tap, out, up. Right, left, right, up. Left, right, out and up. Right, left, out and up. And left, right, out and up. All right, follow along. I am facing you, starting on the right foot. Up. And the tempo, well, the song is Lil Jon work. So the tempo is move your body, work your hips. Move your body, work your hips. That's the tempo, okay? 5, 6, start on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's move number 1, okay? Next, we're just doing our hips, right? Left, very easy. So I'm going to take it to the back. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. 8 times. All right, let's put the two together. 5, 6, start on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8. I better do that again. All right, let's put it together. 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, and up. Left, right, and up. Right, left, and up. Left, right, and up. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay? Those are the first 2 moves. Now, after that, we're going to go a vine right and a vine left. So a vine looks like this. 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, kick. That's what we're working on. But since we're starting on the right, I gotta face my back to you so we can all go in the same direction at the same time. 5, 6, vine right. 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, kick. All right, from the top. 5, 6, here we go. Kick, kick, out and up. 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 Hips. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. So far, so good. Now we're going to do turns, but they're not hard turns. It's a quarter turn and a half turn. I'm going to show you front view so you know what that looks like. All right? So step on the right. So the right is leading. Up on the right, quarter to the right. Up on the left, half to the left. Up on the right, quarter to the right. Up on the left, half to the left. All right? That's the way the turn works. So if we're doing it so we're all on the same foot, with my back to you, starting on the right, 5, 6, just the turn. Up on the right, quarter to the right. Up on the left, half to the left. Up on the right, quarter to the right. Up on the left, half to the left. Let's put all that together now, okay? Starting from the top. Tempo. Work your body, move your hips. Work your body, move your hips. 5, 6, here we go. Kick, kick, out, up. Kick, kick, out, up. Kick, kick, out, up. Kick, kick, out, up. Work your body, move your hips. 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 Vibe. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. Up and 1, 2, 3. 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 Okay? We're almost finished. All right. I'm going to show you the last part, facing forward, and then I'll turn my back to you. So, tap, 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 tap. Double front, double back, single, single, double out. 2, 3, 4. Single, single, tap, tap. Roll, roll. And we do the same thing on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Single, single, double, double. Roll, roll. Okay? Last little part. Roll right, roll left, turn, roll right, roll left, and start all over again. I'm going to face the back so we can do it together, and everybody's on the right foot. With the right foot, double, double, single, single, double, roll, roll, double, double, single, single, double, roll, roll, roll right, roll left, turn, roll right, roll left, and tap, tap, up and out, tap, tap, up and out, tap, tap, up and out, tap, tap, up and out. That's starting from the top. Okay? Hips, 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 that's 4. Hips, 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 that's 8. Up on your right, turn to your right. Up on the left, turn to your left. Up on your right, turn to your right. Up on your left, turn to your left. Vine, 2, 3, and vine, 2, 3, and double, 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 single, double, 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 roll, and roll, and double, 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 single, double, 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 roll, and roll. Roll right, roll left, turn, roll right, roll left, start the dance all over again. Okay? So, that's not it. Sorry, I forgot. Now, we keep doing that until the point in the song where he says, I know you're not tired, right? That's where he's going to have his little drum break, okay? And that drum break, is 16 beats long. And during that drum break is where we're going to pump it up. I'm going to show you the tag, all right? And I'm going to turn behind so you can see, all right?